podcast. Today we will talk about how can you enable highlights notifications on your Discord app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, you just go down. So you keep going down here and you click here on notifications. So when you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on get notifications outside of Discord. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, you come to highlights and you click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean highlights and notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.